Hello, good day viewers. You are welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to provide a solution to this question on the board. Please, if today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow my Facebook page at Shabes Online Tutorial. So the question on the board says, given 6x plus 3y is equal to 12, express s in terms of y and find the value of s when y is equal to 10. So this question is simple. I'll start by saying solution. So the first one say given 6s plus 3y which is equal to 12. And we're asked to express s in terms of y. Express s in terms of y, meaning making s the subject of the formula. Then find the value of s when y is equal to 10. So making s the subject of a formula here, I will move this 3y to the right hand side. I'll have 6s equal to 12. Then this positive 3y will cross this equality sign to change to negative 3y. So to make s the subject of the formula, I'll divide both sides by the coefficient of s, which is 6. So divide both sides by 6. So I'll have s now will be equal to 12 minus 3y over 6. So this is the value of my s. So, and the question also say find the value of s when y is equal to 10. So when y is equal to 10 from this question, they say we should find the value of s. So s now will be equal to 10. So anywhere we see y now, we're going to replace it as a 10 because from the initial question, they say when y is equal to 10. So I have a 12 into 12 minus 3 into y, and y, remember my y is 10 from the question, so I'll replace y as a 10 all over 6. So my s now will be equal to 12 minus 3 times 10, it will give me 30 all over 6. So my s now will be equal to 12 minus 30, it will give me minus 18 over 6. So to get the value of my s now, which is equal to, I'll divide minus 18 by 6. And minus 18 by 6, it will give me negative 3. So this is how to provide a solution to this question on the board. First of all, express s in terms of y, meaning making s the subject of the formula. Then we find the value of s at y is equal to 10. Thanks for watching. Please do share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my Facebook page at Shabes Online Tutorial. Thanks.